Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach you about Octet Rule and limitations of the Octet Rule. According to Octet Rule, during the formation of a chemical bond, the atom attains an inert gas electronic configuration. That is, valence shell contains 8 electrons or shell is completely filled. An atom may attain this configuration by gaining, losing, or sharing of electrons with other atoms. Exceptions or limitation of octet rule. Incomplete octet of the central atom. In some compounds, the number of electrons surrounding the central atom is less than 8. Example: lithium chloride, beryllium chloride, beryllium hydride, and boron fluoride. Let's see the electron dot structure of beryllium chloride. Beryllium chloride is an example of covalent compound. This compound is formed through sharing of electrons. But in the case of beryllium chloride, only 4 electrons are present around the central beryllium atom. So, number of electron is less than octet, or we can call it as incomplete octet. Due to this reason, we cannot explain stability of beryllium chloride by using octet rule. Another example is boron trifluoride, BF3. In BF3, central boron have only 6 electrons around it. Just like beryllium chloride, stability of BF3 also difficult to explain by using octet rule. Now it's very clear BF3 and beryllium chloride comes under the limitation of octet rule. Odd electron molecules also comes under the limitation of octet rule. In molecules with an odd number of electrons like nitric oxide and nitrogen dioxide, the octet rule is not satisfied for all the atoms. The next category of limitation of octet rule is expanded octet of central atoms. In a number of compounds, there are more than 8 valence electrons around the central atom. This is termed as expanded octet. The octet rule does not apply in such cases. For example, PCl5, SF6, sulfuric acid, etc. Let's see the electron dot structure of PCl5 and SF6 molecule. Both the compounds are stable and formed by sharing of electrons. But in both the cases, central atom contains electrons. Their number is more than 8 or octet. In PCl5, phosphorus contains 10 electrons around it, and in SF6 contain 12 electrons around sulfur. So, the stability of SF6 and PCl5 we cannot explain by using octet rule.